Sarah, you won't believe this. I've been listening to Jack and John's calls, and I think I cracked their code.
All right, spill it, Detective Emma. What's the scoop?
Okay, so John said, "Tonight's the big move," and Jack replied, "No cap." Sounds like a full-on heist plan, right?
Wait, what? Did you just say no cap?
Yeah, no cap. So, obviously they're going hatless tonight. Maybe it's a hacker thing.
Emma, no cap doesn't mean no hats. It's slang for no lie or seriously. Jack was saying he's being honest about the plan.
Oh, no cap means no lies. Got it. Well, they'd better be lying about this heist.
Let's find out. What else did you hear? Details, Emma.
Here's another line. John says, "Jack, don't be sus tonight."
Okay, I know where this is going. Sus means suspicious, Emma. It doesn't mean socks.
Come on! How was I supposed to know it's not short for socks? Like, what do I call suspicious socks then?
You call them sus socks. You're catching on, Detective Emma.
Fine. What's next? Oh, they said something about pulling up to the spot. Are we chasing them to a parking lot?
Nope. Pulling up means arriving. And the spot is just a casual way of saying the location. Wait, check this out. They just shared a location link labeled The Vault. We're getting close.
Sarah, they're pulling up to the vault. No cap this time.
See? You're nailing it now. Let's move. Time to catch them in action.
Jack, make sure to grab the data and don't be sus.
Sarah, what if we catch them red-handed and they use more slang? Do we need a translator?
You'll be fine, Emma. Just remember, no cap means no lies. Sus means suspicious. And pulling up means arriving. You've got this.
Well, detectives. Took you long enough to find us.
You're busted. We know you've been hacking.
Relax, Emma. This isn't a heist. We're working for national defense. Everything we do is encrypted for security reasons. No cap.
Wait, no cap? Like, for real? So you're the good guys?
Told you, Emma. Sometimes things aren't as sus as they seem.
All right. But next time, I'm bringing my slang dictionary.
Let's recap the slang you learned today. No cap, no lies, seriously. Sus, suspicious. Pulling up, arriving. The spot, the location.
Use these phrases in your daily life, and you'll sound like a pro in no time. No cap. Like, share, and subscribe to Modern English Vibes for more fun and modern ways to master English. And drop your favorite slang in the comments. Let's decode it together.